Virtual reality. Virtual reality means experiencing things that don't exist in real life via believable, interactive, 3D computer-generated worlds. What makes a virtual reality? First, it must be believable. Like feeling you're really in Mars or in the jungle during the Jurassic period. And throughout the entire time, you should remain convinced that you're really in that different world. Second, it should be interactive. So as you move, the virtual reality world moves with you. In 3D films, you can be transported down underwater, but it's not interactive. Next, it must be computer-generated. This is because only 3D computer graphics have the power to quickly generate believable, interactive, and alternate worlds that change real-time as we move within it. A virtual reality should also be explorable. It should be big and detailed enough for you to explore it yourself. Not like in a book, where a place or character can only be explored as the author describes it. And finally, it should be immersive. A virtual reality should engage both your body and mind. It conveys the world's sight, sound, smell, taste, and the feel of being in it or part of it. These are important elements of a virtual reality. From this, we've understood why reading a book, looking at a painting, watching a film, or listening to a song isn't an experience of virtual reality. All of these art forms only give us partial glimpses of another reality. What's common among them is that they aren't interactive. You can't explore them fully yourself, and they are not fully believable. Another example would be watching in the cinemas. Sure, it can take you to a different world, but the moment you take your eyes off the screen, you're reminded that you're just inside the theater. You also can't reach out and touch the realities in the screen, or go inside it. In other words, such art forms are essentially passive. That's the main difference of a virtual reality. It makes you think that you're actually living inside this completely believable virtual world. It's two-way interactive, because you respond according to what you experience, and the world responds to you.